Hello everybody, it's March 16, 2012, around 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon, 15:30 hours. We're at the Lancaster Animal Shelter in Lancaster, California. And we're approaching goodbye to the kennels. This will be the last time I will be able to most likely see this person, or see my childhood dog again. Jasper, he's sleeping. Hi. 444, L444. Oh, shit. Hi. Hi there. Okay. All right? It's okay. It's okay. It's cold, huh? Yeah, he doesn't like it being in here. He'd rather be with a loving family again, like he was. Hi. Just so you know, it's me. So anybody that's watching this video will know the truth. So will know that what I'm talking about is real. Yeah, here. Here, look up. Look up. Huh. There you go. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah, I wish I could take him home, but we can't right now. I know somebody will fall in love with the dog and take very good care of him. Dog, don't go to heaven. Yeah, we need to come back. Love you. Love you. Here.
Yes. Yes, baby.
Look, somebody's going to come get you, okay? Somebody's going to come get you and rescue you. Alright? Thank you. It's good seeing you again. Good seeing you again. Good seeing you again.
Oh. We got a howler over here.
Alright, let's go.
Hi, baby.
I'm trying to video on.